Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today, in this video, I bring some latest collection of trendy garden decorations that people will love to create these unique garden decorations or colorful combinative ideas that will make up your whole front yards and backyards more systematic or beautiful by making these ideas in a more unique way. You can choose different planters and recyclable items to make these sort of unique ideas, and making these sort of unique trendy styles for your garden decorations will make these ideas more elegant and unique, that others will love to see your garden decorations as a pleasant source or a sitting place. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest trends for you. So viewers, I hope you will love it and keep creating these sort of ideas for your garden decorations to make it more trendy, stylish, and a refreshing sitting place for yourself and your family. In this video, I will also bring some unique ideas that will add up different unique flowers like orchids, tulips, or lilies, or making these ideas more unique and elegant, that will make up your whole garden decorations a vibe of positivity to make these sort of unique and trendy styles, and making these collections more unique, vibrant, and extravagant. You can choose different planter arrangements for this purpose, or creating different unique hangings from tin cans can be created, or you can also fix these flowery tin cans on walls, or create a pattern with these cans to make it more beautiful and colorful. You can also choose different unique old recyclable furniture and your belongings by creating some rustic garden decoration ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest trends for you. So if you have any request or query, do mention it in the comment section. I will work on it and answer all your queries in the comment section. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like it, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. It helps me to grow my channel and also encourages me to bring some latest relevant or ideas of your choice that will make an impactful overall